The Diploma in Aeronautical and Aerospace Technology covers aircraft systems, aerospace manufacturing, and aerospace MRO. The ABET accredited curriculum follows industry standards set by the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore and allows you to pursue aircraft maintenance licenses after graduation. The course will enable you to discover and realize your potential through many fun learning opportunities, solve real-world challenges in competitions, accelerate your career with local or overseas internship programs, discover new technologies with your final year project. The opportunities are endless. On graduation, you can pursue a career in many sectors where skilled engineers are in high demand. Alternatively, you can pursue your further studies at many reputable local or overseas universities. The skills and knowledge acquired will take you towards an exciting and forward-looking career in aerospace-related industry. If you love aeroplanes and are eager to work on the newest aircraft, the Diploma in Aeronautical and Aerospace Technology is for you.
So what are you waiting for?
Come join us at NYP School of Engineering,
where we
think innovation, create possibilities.